In this video today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to harvest and give you guys some tips how to grow the best beets, beetroots, beets, beetroots, right? So I have one in a container that I've been growing for about, I would say about 7 weeks right now in a 3-gallon container. The reason why I have one because I already harvested a bunch from another container and I had a baby one, so I put it in here. Guys, if you look right here, it's my container. So that's the one beetroots that I have. The beetroots, when they're growing, they actually popped up. They'll actually come up above. So some people want to know when to harvest the beets. About 7 to 8 weeks is perfect, but if you're not, keeping track of the time or anything like that, you'll see they're coming above. They're come up from the soil. So one thing before planting the seed, guys, make sure your soil is loose. Loosen up so the root could go down, and when it's growing, it comes up above the ground. So in my other container that I harvest, they were all shooting up. They observe a lot of water too, so make sure you watch them. I'm gonna have the kids, they wanna pull this guy out. Right here, this is a monster beets, guys. So this is the biggest one so far. The reason how this one is that big, guys, because obviously it's grown by itself. That's one. I didn't have anything more in this container, so you can pull that out, guys. So all the nutrition and all the stuff was just going to this guy, and let me show you. And basically he just observed everything, and I left, and I said about 7 to 8 weeks in this container. Sorry, guys. So my main tip of growing beetroots, I would say definitely space. Space is number one. Like mine, I did as a test. As you see, mine, it was just one in the container right there. So definitely the space. If you're gonna plant a bunch, you need space. I would say 4 inches apart at least. Don't go any closer, guys, because they grow and they could get big too. So you definitely want to be 4 inches to like 6 inches space. So guys, make sure you gotta make sure the soil is loose. If you're gonna just dig a hole in your backyard, you gotta make sure dig deeper, loose up all around it in circles, water it down, loosen it up and dig it up. Or if you're gonna use regular soil, that's a plus in a container. It's already loose soil you're putting in. And I say when you plant this seed, water it for a couple days. Within like the 5 to 7 days, you're gonna see it start popping out. And the main thing will be watering. And the one thing too I like to tell people is to stick on a water schedule. I know a lot of people work, a lot of people are go on vacation and this and that, but watering is the key part of growing stuff. Plant, they get used to the time of the water and they depend on the water. So if it's hot, if it's like at 80 degrees, you're gonna want to water twice. How do you tell if your beetroots need water? The whole leaves will come down. It will just lay down. If you have a container with like drooped all over on your container, it's not dead. So guys, literally I had that happen to me. I thought the plant was dead. I lost it. I was gonna yank it out, but no. Water it really good. Heavy water in it, leave it. Within a couple hours, guys, it's gonna come back. So guys, definitely watering 1 to twice when it's hot. When it's not hot, one time a day, it's good. And another thing to always boost your plants, if you don't have a rich soil, richen up your soil. Have some kind of fertilizer or some kind of organic plant food or compost, and richen up your soil. If your soil is rich, and your plants are gonna be the root and the plants will be feeding from all that, and it's just gonna produce a massive beets, guys. And hopefully, guys, this video was helpful for growing your beets. And definitely, guys, give a thumbs up if you like this video. Also subscribe to my channel, guys. It's 100% free. I have a lot more videos coming up. And another bonus, what I will tell you guys right now, how do I make my beets? Everybody has their own recipe. My easy way, what I do with my beets, I boil them. I'll boil the beets and boil everything, and then I'll just cut up the beets I'll eat that separate in the salad. But the water, I don't throw away the water. The water is the most important thing for me. It's where all the nutrients. It's very nutritious, so I drink all the water, and it's delicious, guys. But be careful, it's stained. That red stain, all your pots and stuff. I'm pretty sure you could clean it. All right, guys. So thank you guys for watching Green Tea Garden. Grow some giant big beets.